Hello, everybody. Welcome to our new vlog. We are in Germany. This is East Germany, near to Dresden. Today we are going to mosque. Mosque in English, in Arabic is called masjid, and this is a place where Muslims pray. And why we are going there? Because it's a month of Ramadan. It's an Islamic month, and this is a holy month for Muslims. In this month, Muslims fast. They do not eat from dawn till dusk, from morning till evening. So today we are going to see how do they observe this month, and what are the feelings, and how the mosque looks like. As you can see that we are going or passing through the rural area, villages, and this is really beautiful. For me, these kinds of beautiful straight or zigzag roads passing through fields or meadows, it really looks beautiful to me, and I always like to sit on a front seat to see just going this. Now we are turning to a small village, and there we will go and pick some people who want to go to city. I really appreciate in Germany or in Europe the public transport. First of all, there is a plenty of options to go. Frequency is much, and the they are not expensive. Transport is clean and punctual at the same time. And now we are going to a small village, and you will see some houses around us, and they are like a fairy tale. And if you see the around these roads, there are long big fields. It's spring, but it's still not much green, and is a start of spring basically. And it is a really beautiful and peaceful environment. I'm sure that in villages is normal. People know each other. They have a sense of community. They help each other. They participate in their. And in villages, what is most beautiful is that when they have a small bakery, cafes, or mm, like small grocery shop, and you take a bike and you go there to buy things, or you just sit there and have a coffee, and it's a small, and you know the person who is serving you or the person who works there, so you chit chat, you talk with them. It's nice feelings. And especially if I have a bike, and then it's even further beautiful. You can stop, you can take photos, you can enjoy the vibes, feelings, if it's a cool breeze, and it's really beautiful. So the bus driver was very gentle. He stopped and gave the way to another lady who was on car, but she was enough kind. She said, no, go first.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
Look, in villages we have Amazon delivery. So Amazon delivery services here, in the afternoon they are delivering their packages to these villages, and wow, Amazon is everywhere, everywhere, literally everywhere. in Dresden. This is the capital of Saxony province in Germany. This is a beautiful town. In this part where we are walking, this is called a old town, and old town does not look like old because it was rebuilt after 1990. This city was almost completely destroyed in Second World War, and then it was built again. So this is a street where is a walking street. People walk through to the main station and to shopping street. Is a evening time after work. People are students are walking, enjoying their time, and now we enter to a department store where we wanted to buy something. So actually I wanted to buy some perfumes. I tried some perfumes as well. Everything you can find in one shop. This is a department store. You can find clothes, jewelry, perfumes, everything about um, fashion. Now we are walking towards mosque. This is a Turkish mosque in this city. As I know, it is managed by a Turkish culture center, which is managed by a foreign ministry in Turkey, or our cultural ministry. So they are linked together. This is a small um, mosque, beautiful, clean. When I go there, I see the feelings of community. And this is the mosque where you can see this green one invisible in front of us. In few years back, I guess in 9 or 10 years ago, there was an attack on this mosque, small attack from extremist people, those who do not like Muslim community, are the growth of Muslim community in Germany. So this part in front of us is a female part where the ladies pray and sit, and this is the male part where I entered. First of all, there are dates where when you break your fast, and then you enter to a prayer area. Of course, already some people are waiting for the prayer, and soon Imam will have adhan, call for prayer. So it means it's a sunset, and you can break your fast. So you can see people started eating, and Imam is calling for the prayer. After the prayer, and then uh, we go to dining area. Usually in the mosque, in some mosques they have a special area for dining, but in some mosque they, in the prayer area, they put mats or dastarkhan and where you can eat. So in this one they served us soup, rice and chicken with potatoes, and the bread. This is a Ramadan bread in Turkey, they call it. Of course you can refill as much as you want. Now we are done with our iftar, and then we had also Turkish chai, and now we are on the way back to home. This is a central station in Dresden. From here you can take trains to many cities, also to many countries. From here you can go to Czech Republic, Poland, I think, and also you can go to to western side of Germany. From here we will take our train back to home. This is the our train, so we are going on the front to find a seat. Usually in the night there are not many people, so it's not full. So thank you very much for watching this vlog, and have a nice time and enjoy your day. See you in next vlog. Bye bye, take care.